Hello YouTubes, welcome to React Tailwind channel. In this channel I only share videos about Tailwind CSS and React.js. From now you can expect free components with Tailwind CSS and React.js from me. Every day I will share a blocks of code for the open source community. All UI components will be free and the source code will be available for you. You can find all the components source code from my website, and also you can see the preview of every components there. The link is in the description below. Also, I want to inform you that when I code these components, I will record and share it in this channel. If you go to this website, saidmurtaza.com, then go to the blogs section, you can see all the components that I have already shared, and I will share all the components in the future. So let's check the hero section. These are the components that I have shared. Let's check. All the components will be responsive. It's the desktop view, tablet view, and mobile view. By clicking the source code, you can find the code snippet and copy the source code. It has two versions, HTML version and the React version. By clicking the full screen button, you can preview in the full screen. So let's check how it works and how to use it. By clicking this button, all the source code of the component will be copied to your clipboards. I have already created a new Next.js project. Let's add hero section.js6. Let's paste. By clicking this button, the source code will be copied to your clipboard and paste it in here. The component name is hero simple center. Save it and let's import it. The page hero simple center. Let's check localhost 3000. So let's add a new components. I want to add a feature section. I want to add this feature section. Copy, add feature section 1.j6, paste. The name of the component is with large shot. Paste, copy. Let's comment this with large shot, import it and save. Let's see. All components will be responsive, fully responsive, guys. Check. Let's add another components. I want to add a pricing section. Till now I have added two pricing section. Let's add this. Copy the component pricing with it's TypeScript error. The component name is example. I want to change it. Pricing with details. Let's add. Let's check. It's the pricing. These are the component, guys, so please stay tuned and follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter for more updates. Also, don't forget to follow me on GitHub. In the future, I will add a repository in the GitHub. You can find the source code from my website and also from my GitHub. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, suggestion, please let me know in the comment down below. See you later.